All right.
Pet the snake. They're so silky.
Nope, Ben looks like he left. Okay, anybody wants to touch, what's your name?
They're
All right,
touching,
anybody
baby.
that would
It's
like
very
to check out
silky.
the snake has to get in line behind Jacob here, okay?
Get in line, baby. Get in line.
Right.
Single line. Single file.
I have to hold on to you, but you can pet me. Or pet on.
Look at the snake, babe. Oh, okay, the line's gonna be
Well, stay in line. You're going to miss your place if you want to pet the snake. He's very silky. Huh?
Wow, snake. Are you giving a nod?
Papa's going to be here in 15 minutes. You want me to set the front gate?
I'm gonna go to the playground.
It's too hot to go to the playground now. This is nice. It's all shaded with animals. I like this stuff, baby. I like all this stuff.
Hey, Jacob, let's go get a hat and get some ice cream.
Is he going to shed his tail or his skin?
They do several times a year.
Oh, okay.
Excuse me one second.
It's climbing up your...
Oh, I'm sorry.
Bye, Jacob.
Woo.
That's where they pull out too.
Nate, but you have to stand with Mommy.